Hello, this is Walter Fawcett with Fawcett Technology Advisors to show you how quick and easy it is to enter time with our IRS Time Tracker product. So the first thing I do is I would have this page bookmarked and it's going to ask me to log in. I'm logging in as Tim Standard, and because this is integrated with Active Directory, it's the same user ID and password that I would use if I was logging into the network or logging into email. And so it'll bring up the application. It starts me on my dashboard. I can see that on my dashboard, these are the different work items I've been assigned to. I can see my timesheets, and I can see that I have not submitted my timesheet for last week. I can see my timesheets for this week. I can see a little chart of the hours that I have so far this week and all my time slips that I've entered. So the first thing I notice is that on Monday I only put in 6 hours of time, and so I want to put in the extra 2 hours of time on Monday, and then I'm going to put in my time for Tuesday. So I click the new icon, I hit time slips. I'm working on a project for Acme, and we're doing an implementation, and I happen to know what those fields are. I'll show you in the next one if you don't know what to put in, but I'll just say I was working on customizations. And I should probably say I'm working on my typing. Okay, and so now I save, and then on Tuesday, I was working on a different project on Tuesday, so I'm going to put this in. I click plus, new time slip. I don't know the name of the project. It was the landing gear for F-18 fighter. I was working on that one, and it'll show me then I'm assigned to one activity there, and the date that I did that was the 22nd. And I worked on this I worked on this all day. And when I put it in, it'll default for the right IRS R&D category for me. But it will give me an option if that's something that I can do. And here I'll say I was reviewing the requirements document. Okay. And now I have saved that, so now I have my time in. I fixed my time for Monday, I've got my time in for Tuesday, and you know what? I want to look at this timesheet right here because it should be submitted, because I'm supposed to do that by the end of the week. So now I'm looking at my timesheet for the week prior. It looks good. Here's all my hours, and I'm going to say, good, I want to submit it. And I go ahead and I put in my comments. I'll say, sorry, it was late. And now I have now submitted my timesheet for my manager to approve it. And then after I do that, I can go back to now I'm done with my timesheet. That's been submitted. I go back to my dashboard. It's submitted, and everything's good. Within about 90 seconds there, I've put in two timesheets and two time slips, and I've submitted my timesheet, and I'm done. So I will click log out, and that is the end of the demo.